In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment link on Square. We'll walk through the process on the web, and by the end, you'll have a shareable link your customers can use to pay you instantly. Start by signing in to your Square dashboard in a web browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Open Payments and Orders, then select Payment Links. Depending on your region, you might see it under Payments within that section. If you don't see it right away, use the dashboard search bar and type Payment Links. On the Payment Links page, click Create Link. Square will ask what you want this link to do. Choose Collect a Payment if you need a single amount paid, like an invoice alternative or a deposit. Choose Sell an Item if you're selling a specific product with a set price and, if needed, inventory tracking. Pick Accept a Donation if you want to let supporters enter an amount. And select Sell an Event or Class if you're taking payment for a scheduled session or ticket. Next, fill in the required details. Give the link a clear, customer-friendly title. This appears on the checkout page, so make it descriptive and simple. Set the amount you're charging. If you chose Sell an Item, select the product and price from your catalog instead of typing an amount. You can also add a description to clarify what the payment covers, which helps reduce questions later. There are optional extras worth considering. Custom fields let you collect additional info, such as a project reference or attendee name. You can enable tipping if you want customers to add a gratuity at checkout. And you can set a redirect after checkout, which sends customers to a thank you page or your website once payment is complete. These options don't change how the link is created, but they make the checkout experience smoother. When you're ready, click Save or Create Link. Square immediately generates a unique URL for that payment link. From here, sharing is simple. Copy the link and send it via email or chat, or paste it into a message thread or customer portal. If you want something more visual, generate a QR code so customers can scan and pay from their phones. You can also create a buy button and grab the embed code to place on your website or a landing page, and then share that page on your social channels. That's it. When customers click your link, they'll see a clean checkout page and can pay securely. You'll get notified in your Square dashboard, and the transaction will appear alongside your other payments.